Hello and welcome to today's episode. Let's make some biting that I really enjoy. I do not know if it's a dessert, if it's a salad, or they are just fruits or whatever fancy name they love to call it. And for today's ingredients, we'll only need a watermelon and some cucumber and a lime. But I'm using a lemon because I do not have lime at hand. And so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Before we start, I would like to address something, a piece of information that I'm not quite sure if you will need it because it's not common sense, but there is a difference between a cucumber and a gourget, and here's the difference. This is a gourget and this is a cucumber. How to tell the difference is a cucumber looks like a watermelon. As you can see, here it is attached to a stem that looks like a string, just like a watermelon, and ikiva pia huku inakaa kama watermelon, just like this part of the watermelon enye huwa to the ground, and a gourget inakaa more like a pumpkin, malenge, and you can tell by also here it is also attached to the stem is attached to the fruit just like a pumpkin. So these have to be cooked, while these are not cooked at all. They are eaten raw. So with that piece of information, I did not know back then, but it took a few mistakes for me to realize the difference, and so let's get started. So you'll need a watermelon. I like my watermelon a bit cold. First of all, I do not love watermelons, and you all know how the cucumber tastes like. It has more of water content, and so I'm here to show you how I do it my way. And so I prefer using a very cold watermelon. So before I make this recipe, I like throwing my watermelon into the fridge, then it can become cold. I'll need a watermelon, but I'm not going to need all this, so I'm going to need a piece, and I'm going to cut my watermelon. The piece that I'm going to be using, this is more than enough, but we'll just use it. As I've mentioned, you need a lime, not a lemon, but also a lemon does the work. So I'm going to start by slicing my cucumbers. As always, remember to wash your fruits properly, especially during these tough times. And I've washed mine and dried it. Yeah, so it is set and good to go. I start by removing these top parts, set them aside. Then for the chopping, you can chop it how you prefer. So you can chop it like this into quarters, then you chop them into shapes like this that look like almost like dice, but I prefer chopping mine in circles. So that's how I'm going to chop it. Also chop it according to how you like it, how thin you like it, or how fat you like it. So I will add this into a container. Then I'm going to chop my watermelon. So I might as well use all of it, but that would have been enough. So I'll just add this extra, and yeah, so I'll put this aside too. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. So at this point, this is ready, so I'm going to serve it. But remember, we have also not put our lemon. I'm going to squeeze the juices out of the lemon by pressing it down and then cut it into halves. And there you have it. Our delicacy is ready. I'm going to find out if it's a salad, if it's a dessert, or they're just fruits before I upload it. So you're going to see it from the title or the thumbnail. And now let's give it a test. The flavors of the watermelon and the cucumber are contrasting, and they are melting very well inside the mouth. So try out this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. It's a bye bye from my side. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.